So in this video we are going to learn and understand the basic communication between the client and server using a TCP communication, that is a transmission control protocol. So just like a people, it's important for computers to have a communication way to communicate with each other. So today's most important computers do this through TCP IP. So the TCP IP is a typical built into computers and is largely automated, but it can be useful to understand the TCP IP model, particularly when you are setting up a computer to connect with other system. So there is some transmission of packets from client to server. So let us see what the handshake established by the TCP IP and what are the packets that are need to be transmitted from the client to the server and what is the response from the server to client. So let us discuss in this video. So for the establishment of connection establishment, so the first client will send a SYN that I want to connect you at port 80. So the server will send the response and as SYN plus ACK, that is fine, I am ready for the connection. So the next the client will say okay, you can establish the connection, that is fine, okay. It is the acknowledgement given by the client to the server. Hence here established the three-way handshake. So the TCP IP communication establishes by using a three-way handway transmission. And the next packet that was sent by the server is push plus ACK. So in this, what it states that data is sent from the client and the acknowledgement of the same will be sent from the server. And the next is push plus ACK. Data is sent from server and the acknowledgement of the same will be sent from client. So this in this process, the complete process is called as data transfer. And the next is fin, that is finishing flag, that was I want to close the connection, and it is again from the server, it is stating that giving an acknowledgement of finishing the packet, that was fine, okay. Then the again from the server it is sent a fin flag saying that okay, I'm closing the connection. And then finally client will respond that by giving the ACK of fin and saying that goodbye, then the connection is terminated. So in case of either side sends reset flag set, then the communication will be closed abnormally without fin or ACK. So here is a complete detailed explanation of the TCP IP communication from the client to server. Hence it is called as a three-way handshake. So the three processes that are included in the TCP communication is connection establishment, data transfer, and connection termination. So in this video we discussed about the TCP communication. So in the next video we will learn how to scan these SYN scan, SYN plus ACK scan, and how the packets will be getting captured by using an Nmap tool. We are applying a command for the scanning, and how the packets are getting captured we will observe in the next video.